Aligned to Manifest, or A2M, has been profoundly transformational for me. I came into the program in a time in my life where a lot of my wounds were apparent, and I was had the vision of who I am, but was struggling to to become that. And it seems like we have all these conditioned selves from society, family, religion, various things is what I had taken on. And A2M has given me the tool sets to destory those, to release them, and allow myself to come forward. It's such a comprehensive package covering all aspects of life. And the bi-monthly group coaching calls have been invaluable in my transformation process, providing deep insights and directions and perspective upgrades and releases to really create the life that I want. And as an entrepreneur, it's given me the ability to navigate the uncertainty and destory my relationships to money, to security, and really come to the present and see that I am abundance, and that abundance is that I'm the source of it. That the more I act within alignment with myself, the more I get the life that I want, and that I get to live in bliss, enjoy, and so I couldn't recommend Align to Manifest more highly to anyone who's ready for transformation and ready to uh, really invest in themselves and have a wealth of teachings, practices, just invaluable resources. I plan to be enrolled in it for the foreseeable future, as it's been such an impactful part of my life.